Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to make a stacked column chart in Google Sheets. Alright, first and open Google Sheets and open your project or create new project. Okay, open project and click on category, amount and click on column. And press shift and click on this, select all category and amount and search insert. Click on open menu and this open chart, create and click on this chart type, scroll down and search column and select stacked column chart, click on, and that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.